couple things I want to mention before you start. Number one is I limited each of the quests that follow to just 3 videos to keep things in bite-sized portions so you can feel like you're making progress. Be sure to practice this to understand these steps because we're going to build on this the rest of the year. Second thing is there's kind of a nasty bug in Camera Raw, and the cool thing about working with smart objects and these smart filters, when you open up Camera Raw and I have something complicated like this or even more detailed, I take you into another panel and have you make other changes. I want you to do one of 2 things. Either remember a couple steps, make those changes and click OK, and then go back and look for more detail and then double click more instructions and make a few more changes and click OK. So you do it in stages because if you switch away from Camera Raw while it's open, Photoshop will often hang and be completely unresponsive. So the trick I used is to just here, this is the only time well, it's not the only time, but in up to this point in the videos, it's the only time I change the temperature. But you can just grab a piece of paper and type T, T, E, C, H, write down the list, and then just write in these numbers. And then go to Camera Raw, and then you can plug them in. And then you can always compare what you have to what I have, and life will be good. Because if you switch away from Camera Raw, I'm just telling you, Photoshop may hang, you may lose some little bit of work, but just work smart, okay? Sorry about that, but tech does happen, as you well know.